In this video, we're going to show you how to use fields in text to automatically update drawing information in AutoCAD. Fields are a powerful feature in AutoCAD that allow text to display information that updates automatically. Instead of manually typing and updating information throughout a drawing, fields can pull data directly from drawing properties, dates, object measurements, and other sources. This can save a significant amount of time, especially on large projects where information changes frequently. Rather than editing the same text in multiple locations, AutoCAD can keep it updated for you automatically. Fields are commonly used in title blocks, drawing numbers, sheet information, dates, file names, and other project details that may need to change during the design process. The good news is that creating and using fields is relatively simple once you understand the basic process. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to insert fields into text and use them to automatically update drawing information. So let's get started. The first method is to insert a field into a text object. Start the text or mtext command and create a text box. Next, place your cursor where you want the automatic information to appear. Right-click inside the text editor and choose Insert Field. The Field dialog box will open. Select the category that contains the information you want to display. Then choose the specific field, such as the drawing name, current date, or another drawing property. Click OK to insert the field into the text. The field will now display the selected information automatically. If the drawing information changes later, AutoCAD can update the field without requiring you to manually edit the text. This makes fields extremely useful for project information that changes regularly. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a text object using text or mtext. Second, use the Insert Field option to access the Field dialog box. And third, select the drawing information you want AutoCAD to display automatically. Remember that fields help reduce repetitive work and minimize the risk of outdated information appearing in your drawings. Using automatically updated information can improve accuracy and help maintain consistency across multiple sheets and layouts. Fields are especially useful in title blocks, project documentation, revision information, and other areas where data changes throughout the life of a project. Taking a few minutes to learn fields can save a considerable amount of time on future drawings and help create a more efficient workflow. As projects become larger and more complex, automated drawing information becomes increasingly valuable. And that's how to use fields in text to automatically update drawing information in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.